Do you agree with me that 90% of the time when people complain about how stressful wash day is has to do with the amount of time it takes to wash the hair properly? That is why some of us procrastinate for weeks, because we know the amount of work that is waiting for us. In this video, I'll show you how to wash your dry and tangled hair in just 10 minutes or less. As someone who has been natural for 3 years, I have experimented with different wash day routines, but honestly, this one stands out as the best. It is quick, safe for the hair, and perfect for length retention. Stay till the end because I'll show you exactly how it is done. Step 1. Section the hair into 2 equal parts. It doesn't matter if your hair is already detangled or not, but note that this method is not for a severely tangled or matted hair. So if your hair is severely tangled or matted, please make sure you detangle your hair properly before you jump in the shower. Step 2. Drench one section of the hair in water. Make sure the hair is soaked, like really soaked in water. Step 3. Apply a good conditioner to the tips. This is what will help to soften the hair. For this video, I'm using my Sheer Moisture Rinse Out Conditioner. Work it into the hair. Make sure that the hair absorbs the products. You can take it a little bit further to the middle of the hair and if possible to the roots. This is to help soften the hair to make the tangling easier. Step 4. Detangle the hair with your fingers. At this point, the conditioner must have helped the hair to soften a bit. So you feel it with your fingers that your hair has softened. So you can easily detangle it with your fingers. Just take your time, do not be in a hurry. Separate all the knots, all the tangles. You can do this with just your fingers. Then you may decide to divide this section into 2, or you can work with it as just one section, depending on your choice. So after dividing the one of the sections into 2, you can go ahead and do a bantu knot or a twist, or you can even use a clip, anything that will help to keep the hair in place so that it won't disturb. You can do that. Step 5. Apply a surface-free shampoo. You can divide the hair into 2 sections to enable the shampoo to touch every strand and your scalp. For me, I'll be using the Miel Organics shampoo. Step 6. Wash the hair and scalp thoroughly. You can use your fingertips or a scalp massager. But note that if you're using a scalp massager, you need to be very mindful, else it will cause tangles for you, which will not be good at all, which may lead to breakage and shedding during detangling. Also, try as much as possible to be gentle while washing. Try to be careful and mindful. Know that any small mistake will end up with breakage or shedding, something that you dread. The aim is to retain length, so you have to be very careful while washing your hair. If your fingers are rough, trim it and file it properly before you do this. Anything that will trap your hair, anything that will cause breakage, you have to get rid of it. So wash the hair, wash the scalp very well. Make sure that every strand is clean and make sure that your scalp is clean. That is why we divided the hair into smaller sections, to be able to wash everywhere thoroughly. Next, we are going to rinse out that section. We are going to rinse it out properly, or to some extent. You can see the hair is looking good already, but it is not clean enough. So step 7, we are going to reapply the shampoo. This is to ensure that all the dirt and impurities are removed, so that when we use a product that has good active ingredients, it can be absorbed by a clean hair. You can see how foamy the second wash is. This is how it is supposed to be. Most of the time, the first wash does not always produce a lot of foam, but the second one does. So I'm going to leave it like that in the hair for a while I go over to the other section, and I'm going to repeat the entire process on that section. So now the whole hair is clean. I'll go ahead and rinse the shampoo from the hair. Make sure you rinse thoroughly. Remove all the shampoo from the hair. Let me know in the comments if you'll be giving this routine a try on your next wash day, or if you have been washing your hair like this. Now that you've learned how to wash your hair in a few minutes, watch the next video on how to deep condition your hair using a potent DIY recipe from your kitchen. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!